all around my rim, on the inside of the rim. So I'm getting ready to change the seal so it won't leak no more. Alright, I'm getting ready to loosen up the nuts for this seal. There's a seal leak here. You can see all the oil inside the rim. So I gotta scrape all that stuff off, and I'll show you along the way. Pull the hub cover off. Pull it up. There it is. That's the hub cover. Now the spatula, need this. Scrape off all this used rubber stuff on here. Old sealant off the hub. Pretty much won't look like you want to get all this stuff off. Because when you put the new hub, the new sealing on, the gasket sealant, you want to make sure this is pretty much clean. So now I just got to get a rag and pretty much wipe it off, and I'll be right back. Pretty much clean all the, as you can see, the old gasket is still on there, so it's still probably usable. I'm gonna put some new sealant on there so it won't leak anymore. The reason why I got that used oil can in there to catch all the fluid that may have flown out. Now the gasket, here's the front. Some areas I might have to add a little bit more because it don't look like there's much gas in it. Okay. Once that's done, back on. Now I'm getting ready to put the cover back on the axle. You see it's fully lubricated. That's how you want the inside to look lubricated, so it won't be building up no heat. So all I gotta do is pretty much line them up, stick it back on there, and put the screws back on. Now, the reason why I had to replace this seal is you see all this dirt and grease around the rim? It was leaking. DOT sees that, they can shut you down for that. So as I showed you earlier, I took the cap off, the hub off the axle, and you see how well lubricated it was. Well, I just put new sealant around it to stop this leak from leaking all inside my rim. Now I have to go wash the rim up, and it shouldn't leak no more. It'll show me any signs of any leak. That's how you replace it. And the importance of keeping it lube, because if you don't keep that lube, that axle can get hot from rolling so much, and it'll break off very important parts of metal in there to grind metal up and all kinds of stuff. That's the reason why you want to keep that loose. So until next time, thank you guys for stopping by. We'll get on to something else.